How to transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your contacts from one Gmail account to another using your Android phone. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open the Contacts app on your phone. Next, tap Organize at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you find Export to File, then tap on it. You'll now see the accounts that store your contacts. Select the Gmail account you want to transfer the contacts from, then tap Export. The Contacts app will create a backup file, usually named contacts.vcf, and save it to your phone's storage, usually in the Downloads folder. Now, switch to the Gmail account you want to transfer the contacts to if you haven't already. Go back to the Organize tab in the Contacts app, then tap Import from File. Locate and select the contacts.vcf file that you just exported. If you're asked where to save the contacts, choose your new Gmail account. The Contacts app will begin importing the contacts, and after a few moments, all of them will be available in your new Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your contacts from one Gmail account to another using your Android phone. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.